Do you want to fight climate change as well as make a profitable investment? Be part of the popular ESG movement? Well, then today's video is right up your alley. Now, if you don't care about climate change, but just want a high yielding investment with attractive growth prospects, then you're in luck, because this video is right up your alley as well, because I'm going to share my favorite ESG investment. Hi, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist for the Oxford Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. Now, since most of my focus is on momentum, small cap, cutting edge tech and industries, it's not often I get to talk about high yielding companies. But we get the best of both worlds with Enviva Partners. The paper products company currently sports a 6.77% dividend yield. That equals $3.10 per share per year. That's perfect for a dividend reinvestment plan, something that you want to hold long term. And if that wasn't attractive enough, we also have the fact that the company's business is humming along. Revenue is surging at a more than 30% clip. So what is this nice little gem and how is it fighting climate change? Well, Enviva specializes in biomass from wood. It's the largest sustainable wood pellet producer in the world, and these provide a much needed low carbon alternative to fossil fuels, namely coal. Now, the outlook here is also fantastic for the industry. BioEnergy is forecast to be the fastest growing renewable energy resource over the next several years. And bioenergy itself is actually considered the overlooked giant in the renewable space. Solar and wind steal the spotlight, but bioenergy contributes as much energy globally as hydro, solar, wind, and all of those other renewables combined. Today, bioenergy production is more than 35 million metric tons, and that's up from 7 million all the way back in those black and white days of 2005. Enviva produces 4.5 million metric tons of wood pellets per year, but the most important thing for investors is that the company's business is booming. In the third quarter, Enviva reported $225.6 million in revenue. This was a 43.3% increase over last year, and that's primarily because its shipments grew 40%. But for the dividend payer, adjusted EBITDA grew 38%, and it announced a 15.7% increase in its quarterly dividend to 77.5 cents. That's its 21st consecutive increase in its quarterly dividend. Now, for 2021, we're looking for Enviva to see revenue grow more than 31% to $1.16 billion. So bioenergy and renewables are a long-term growth market. Japan wants to be carbon neutral by 2050. The EU is looking to cut greenhouse gas emissions between 55% to as much as 60% from 1990 levels. Germany wants to end coal-fired power generation by 2038. And there's so much more. These are the commitments that are already underway, and Enviva is right there ready to pave the way for a future without coal, as well as profit and reward shareholders with dividends. It's one of those rare opportunities that offers both high yield and high growth, plus you can battle climate change to boot. I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist for the Oxford Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. For more information like this, be sure to go down to the description and sign up for my free e-letter. Until next time, here's to high returns.